Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I came up with a new concept, that is a haul video, because I have never done a haul video before in my videos. So this is the latest concept which every YouTuber is doing, so I am also trying. This is a Meesho haul, and all products which I have bought is for festive season, for especially festival purpose. And yeah, the products which I have bought is for college going girl, for married girls, even for women. So let's get started and watch the full video and enjoy it. So the first product which I have bought is this pair of earrings, and this is very elegant pair of earrings. You see that, and this is especially for festival season. You can wear it in Diwali, in Karwa Chauth, or in Durga Puja for Navratri functions, for Ashtami. So this is very sweet and very elegant, very beautiful earring, as you can see that. And here is the pearl designing. They gave it a pearl designing here, and pearl definition also here with some kundan. So this is the best earring, and this is my favorite which I have bought from Meesho. And Meesho is a platform where you can buy everything like Amazon and many other sites. Second earring, this is my favorite one also. It has a jhumki type design, and you can wear it with western wear also. So this is the earring, and this is the size of the earring. So this one is my favorite. This is little bit a black touch or gold, black touch with golden touch. So you can see that this is very sweet earring. You know that Meesho has very vast and very good earring collections, very beautiful earring collections. So please go and check it out. And the third is this oxidized earrings with pearl work here. So you can wear this earring with any dress, any color dress, and wear it with black, white, or any color dress. So this is also the best earring, as festival season is around the corner. So you can go for any festival, any occasion with this earring, or with any dress, or the western wear. If you are wearing western wear on festivals, it will also go with the Indo-western wear. So this is the best earring which I have bought. Now the fourth one is this. You can call it Chand Bali, or its name is also Chand Bali. See, so beautiful, so elegant. It has also pearl designing here. Actually I like pearl designing, so I have bought many earrings with pearl detailing. So yeah, these are the 4 earrings which I have bought. And let me show you the other products, because in festivals we want to buy everything which look good, and we don't want to miss anything, or because we don't want to miss anything, because we don't want to miss anything. We want to flaunt ourselves in the festival. So yeah, I have bought some extra things also. So this is the necklace. This is golden in color, and it has a very good detailing. So yeah, this is my favorite one, and it goes with the Indo-western wear, with any lehenga, with any salwar suit, even with sarees also. So yeah, this is multi-purpose necklace, and it will cover your whole neck. So yeah, this is very beautiful, and this is golden in color, so it goes with any outfit you want to wear. Now the second one is this, again the pearl designing. And it will also go with any outfit you want to wear in festivals, and especially if you are wearing a black or white outfit, it goes with that very beautifully. Or even you can go with the colored outfit also, but if you are wearing a black and white outfit, it will look more beautiful. You can also take oxidized earring with this, it will also match with that. So yeah, this is the second necklace which I have bought. And the third one is this. This is red in color, especially for Karwa Chauth. I have bought this especially for Karwa Chauth, and I have made the video earlier with this necklace. You can check it out. So yeah, this is very simple and there is very detailed work on it, as you can see that. A little bit it looks like a choker because it will stick on your neck. So yeah, it will look like a choker, and it has the earrings with it. And this detail, so that when you are wearing this earring, you can tuck this thing with your hairs, so that it will give a extra look to your hairstyle or to your overall look. So this is the third necklace which I have bought. So I hope you are liking the video and liking the products which I have bought from Meesho. Now coming to the third thing, this is called the Nathiya. I especially bought this for Karwa Chauth, but you can also wear with lehenga or sari on any festival, but especially I bought this for Karwa Chauth. So here is the pearl detaining hair, and just tuck it on your nose, and that's it. You are good to go. So yeah, this is very sweet, very beautiful. Here is the kundan work and here is the pearl work. Now coming to the sweetest product which I have bought is this ring. There are lots of knocks on it, as you can see that. So this is the sweetest product which I have gone through on Meesho and just bought it, and this is free size ring. And yes, this is also a multi-purpose ring. You can wear it with Western, Indian or any cloth or sari, and on any festival like Diwali, Karwa Chauth, or whichever festival is going on like Durga Puja. So you can wear this earring and flaunt your fingers. The another product which I have bought is this Gajra. This was very essential for me because Karwa Chauth is coming and I want to do a hairstyle with a bun, so I can put it on my bun, and this will look so elegant when I will put it on my bun. And I have a made video on how you can make a bun very easily with this Gajra, and with this Gajra I have bought this bun. This is called donut bun, and you can also make DIYs, but I have gone through Meesho and I found this, so I bought this. So yeah, this is the bun and this is the Gajra for my hairstyling, because I want to make a juda, that is donut bun, on Karwa Chauth. So yeah, this is the product, and many women want to make a different hairstyle. If you are making a donut bun on any festival, it will change your look, change your whole look, and it will give you a festival vibe. So yeah, if you want this, you can go on Meesho and check it out also. So yeah, these are the products, and the last one which I have bought is these nail polish. And first I want to show you this nail polish, that is called magical nail polish. I will also show you the practical. And the second one which I bought is this little bit orange red color, little bit shimmery nail polish. So yeah, now let me show you this magical nail polish. Like I'm applying this normal nail polish on my nails. This is matte nail polish. Yeah, this is the color, but I want some extra sparkle, some extra shimmer and some extra look for festivals, so I'll go for the magical one and I will show you. Now see, taking this one and just applying over it. See, the whole look changes and giving a festival vibe. So this is called the magical nail polish, and you can also wear it on bare nails. If you don't want any color, so it will only give you sparkle like this. So yeah, this nail polish is my favorite one, and Meesho has many collections of nail polish, so go and check it out. I bought especially for festival because red nail polish goes with every festival when you are married. So yeah, this has a shimmery shade. This is not more visible on camera, but yes, this is a shimmery shade with orange red color. So yeah, these two nail polish which I have bought. So yeah, this is all for the today, and if you like the video, if you like my haul, this is my first haul on Meesho, and this is my first ever haul. So yeah, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So till then, bye bye.